I look at where I'm coming from, I know I'm blessed.
What's going on, peeps? No, it's Mr. Quick Cook back in the kitchen. It's been a minute. Been up and down, running around trying to find a building for my restaurant. But today I feel for some sorrel cake. So I'm about to show y'all how to make some sorrel cake. So I have a little sorrel here that I'm gonna blend. I have some mixed fruits. Mixed fruits I've been having for a little minute now, like about 2 weeks, 3 weeks, soaking in some rum and some red wine. And here we have some salt, nutmeg, baking powder, cinnamon, and cloves. So we have 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 2 nutmeg, 2 cinnamon powder, half cloves, and 1 salt. For this I'm going to use about 4 sticks of butter. Too much, but I'm trying to make a lot out of nothing. I got 6 medium eggs I'll be using. We'll just put some more lemon zest on that to keep down the rawness, And I have 3 cups of sift flour. So make the cake light, fluffy, And 3 cups of brown sugar. Alright, so for this one, I'm gonna put a little Hennessy in it and get it rolling. So watch how we do this now. So, alright, this ain't the correct mixing bowl. I leave the mixing bowl at my previous location and I can't get it back, so just have to improvise. So I'm gonna go in with the butters. It's best to have your butter at room temperature, so it's easier to incorporate with the sugar. And these, we don't throw these away. We're gonna use these to oil our baking tin. So that's that. Let's start out slow to just get the butter fresh. Come in with the sugar. We're gonna do this until everything is fully incorporated and become very fluffy. We'll start slow, and we're gonna increase the speed as we go. Get the mixing bowl for this. Correct mixing bowl. As I said, we just use what we have. Continually doing this until it becomes fluffy. I want everything to blend in, so I'm gonna stop, get the sides down, because we want the sugar, all the sugar and the butter to incorporate with each other. We want a good blend, okay? Alright, so we're gonna start back. It looks good to me right now, so shut him down. Then we're gonna just scrape down the sides. We're gonna clean up the mixing right now. I'm gonna come in with the eggs slowly, but first I'm going to add some more lemon zest, because we don't want cake cafe raw, you know. Lemon zest kind of take away the rawness from the egg. So we're going to do this slow because we don't really want our mixture to curdle, okay? So we'll go in slow. Guess what? Need to switch to the whisk. So I'm gonna do that and come right.
Now that we got our whisk on, I'll start this process all over again. So starting out slow. Just curdle a little, but that doesn't say that our cake is spoiled. That can be fixed. In your belly as it. Curdle a little. Gonna be alright. Come in with the mixed fruit. We'll blend up the sorrel right quick. Well, to blend the sorrel right quick, this now I'll add a little Hennessy to that. I didn't say Hennessy make Menacey. Alright. Get this as smooth as possible.
So while I finish blend the sorrel, I'm gonna mix our dry ingredients. So I'm gonna put everything into one. Mix that. Alright. Everything is fully incorporated. Now we're going to add in the dry ingredients in the wet ingredients. So just check on the sorrel to see the consistency of it. Alright. So that's what the sorrel look like right now. So I'm gonna go in and add this to the wet ingredients. As I said, we already have a little curdling going on, but that's alright. Get everything out as we can, much as we can, you know. Alright, give myself some space. Use a whisk to do this. Try to save it. I don't know baker, but can't help myself. Now I gotta tell you something is a baker. I can't help myself. Put the last bit of flour. So this, it's not the color that we want. So that's where we're gonna come in with some food color to get it to the color that we need. And it's flour fully incorporated. Come in with some red food coloring. Alright, so can measure this, but I'm not gonna measure nothing right now. That's about a tablespoon. Probably I don't want more than that. Let's see how it looks. Get this in. Come in with about the next tablespoon. That should do it. Mix them till everything blend in, okay? So this is where the butter paper come in handy. So I'm just going in. Hold it, and then just enough. Doing this to get rid of air bubbles. Just doing 4 now because I'm about to go pick my son up, so I just have enough to do about 4, enough time to do about 4 and get them rolling. It's alright. Come on. Probably can hold the next one. The remainder butter, I'm gonna use it to just make a big one. So there we go. Get this in the oven. bake for about an hour, or it's small, probably about 40 minutes. Alright. Ain't gonna waste no time. Not too much, but soak them good. So these are the rum and wine, you know. I have a spray bottle for this, but I don't have no spray bottle. These I already did the knife test, so I said the heart ready.